Hey there, frustrated with your smart TV when Google displays local featured? Don't worry. In this guide, we're diving into how to fix Google on smart TV. It says local featured. With these straightforward steps, you'll have your smart TV functions back up and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Understand the issue. Before we get into the solutions, let's understand why your smart TV might display local featured on Google instead of pulling in the content you're used to. This issue often arises due to a connectivity problem or an incorrect location setting. Your TV might be set to a default mode where it only displays local content rather than the personalized content you expect. Don't worry, we're here to fix this glitch effortlessly. Step 2. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for your smart TV to fetch the latest updates and display content correctly. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Navigate to your TV settings and find the network section. Here, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. If there's an issue, try resetting your router or reconnecting to your network. This simple fix often resolves connectivity-related hiccups. Step 3. Adjust location settings. Next up, let's look at your TV's location settings. Incorrect location data can lead to Google displaying local featured. Head over to the settings menu, then select location or region. Ensure it matches your current geographical location. If it's incorrect, update it and restart your TV. This often triggers Google to sync and fetch the appropriate localized content for your region. Step 4. Update TV software. An outdated system might cause discrepancies in displaying accurate content. Check if there's a software update available for your TV. Navigate to the software update section in your settings. If an update is available, install it. This might take a few minutes, but it often resolves compatibility issues and refreshes the system's ability to function properly. Step 5. Reset Google Manager. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try resetting the Google Manager on your TV. Enter the settings menu and look for the Apps or Applications section. Find Google Services and select the option to clear the cache or data. Restart your TV afterwards. This clears any temporary glitches in the application, providing a fresh start to reload the data accurately. Step 6. Reboot the TV. If everything else fails, a simple reboot can sometimes work wonders. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the power source, and wait for about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. This gives the system a chance to refresh completely, often fixing unnoticed glitches. There you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to fix Google on a smart TV, from ensuring a strong internet connection to checking location settings, updating software, and even resetting Google Manager. These solutions cover all bases. Remember, technology is fantastic when it works, but glitches are a part of the package. With this guide, you are now equipped to tackle this issue head on. Enjoy your smart TV experience without interruption, and happy streaming.